What's the meaning of corporal punishment? Corporal punishment. Corporal punishment.
Corporal punishment. Corporal punishment. Corporal punishment refers to the use of physical force, such as spanking or paddling, to cause pain as a means of discipline. The result of corporal punishment can vary widely depending on the individual, but it is generally regarded as an ineffective and potentially harmful method of discipline. Common outcomes include physical injury, emotional trauma, and negative effects on mental health and behavior. Furthermore, studies have shown that alternative forms of discipline, such as positive reinforcement and setting clear boundaries, tend to be more effective in fostering healthy development in children.